Hi, I'm Tom. This video is all about my stay at the Canopy by Hilton in Center City, Philadelphia in June of 2023. The Canopy is a lot like, it's reminiscent to me of San Francisco Union Square boutique hotels. Very charming, quality, and know that your room will not be huge. It's in the middle of a downtown, so it's not like there's lots of real estate for huge rooms. So small rooms, but quality and charming. One thing that I referenced in the footage you're about to see is that the pillows were very soft. In hindsight, I should have asked at the front desk for a firm pillow. Speaking of the front desk, there's a small lobby with some art that includes deflated basketballs. I didn't really understand that one, but the front desk is really, there's room for two lines. So you can get in a bit of a line. When I checked in, I had a little bit of a line. It wasn't that long, but because there's really only room for two employees and two computer setups, just know that. One really nice thing about the Canopy, 3-minute walk to Reading Terminal Market. I timed it. I grabbed my lunch at Love Deli and ran it up to my room at the Canopy, and it took 3 minutes. So that is a really, really nice feature. Great location. You're right around the corner, less than that, to Mom's Organic Market, which is a great grocery store. And let's take a look at arriving there and exploring my hallway and my room on the third floor. Ooh, corner. So here, with some windows, we have our whole little nook of clothes and whatnot. Walk through this little hallway. Bathroom's over here. Looks really nice. Let's look inside. Very nice. As you can see, I've worked up quite the sweat. Stand-up shower, looking nice. A little art on the wall there. Let's go look at the refrigerator situation. Is it in one of these? Yep, that's the ice box right there. And then here, no, just more drawers and whatnot. And then we get to our actual bed. And hello, look at that. Very nice. Couple windows. And then, yes, this is, all the beds seem to have this kind of look with this kind of thing over top. A canopy, if you will. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, nice little corner, little desk there. So far, so great. Oh, and then this, I can block out that other room. And so that door, that sliding door, and it's like I have the room to myself. A tour of the room more lived in. This is what it looks like in the fridge there. And you can see I have a handful of things in there. So it fits more, it's like deceptive. It fits more than I think, but it's not a ton of stuff that can fit in there. Additionally, in this, we have this thing. It's not an iron. What is there? What's supposed to be in there? Well, we'll go to the bathroom. So in the bathroom, we have this. It's a steamer, and you fill it up and then you steam your clothes. I hung them up on just these little knobs, like on the hangers, and I steamed them on there, and I think it worked out pretty good. By the way, this bath towel, the second one, the furthest one away, is pretty big. So that I really liked. I like that bath towel. If we go into the room real quick, my only qualm here is the bed is fantastic. Huge fan of the bed, like the bed, with the exception of the pillows. All the pillows are soft. I needed a firm pillow. And the only other qualm I have is that the room key is needed to run the elevator, and my room key was very finicky with the elevator. So overall, a lot to like at the Canopy. Thank you so much for watching.